Welcome to After Village Kitchen, the home of traditional African delicacies. And I also make some traditional African inspired products like my spice blend, some shito, so many other products, and I have a recipe book as well. So go to www.aftervillagekitchen.com, the shop page, and you can shop all you want. Also follow me on Instagram because I do hold some live cooking sessions where you can learn how to make these traditional foods. I give you the tips and the techniques. So do join in on my live cooking sessions on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Good evening to you out there. I hope you had a lovely day today. I had a busy day packing and posting orders, and it's time for dinner. And do you know what I'm having? Fish stew with rice. Yeah, so today I've got some helpers and my hands are free. So we are going to play around a bit. I'm spicing my fish with my Ghanaian 10 spice blend, and we are having fun. So I added in some oil and a bit of salt, and I rubbed it all into the fish before grilling. I'm going to grill the fish. I spiced it with my Ghanaian 10 spice blend, a little bit of salt and oil. I'm going to grill it for a healthier version. You could also fry it, but this is going in the oven now. I'm starting a stew. I've got some bay leaf, my spice, some curry powder, and my onion blend. This is onion, ginger, and garlic with some pepper. So the oil has already heated. I'm adding my bay leaf, adding some curry powder, adding the 10 spice blend. I'll use about 2 teaspoons. The onion blend is still bubbling away, not done yet. And I've already got my tomatoes simmered down into a paste. This is from 2 cans of tomatoes and 1 passata. These are onions that I'll add to the stew. I'm going to caramelize it on my pan grill. I've got it heated already. The onion blend is now ready. It has simmered down nicely. The smell is just amazing. You know your stew is going to taste good when it smells like this. So I'm adding my simmered tomato paste. I prefer to simmer my paste so that the stew cooks really quickly. So this will help me to cut down time. The fish is now ready. Grilled stew is also ready. I have spiced it up with just salt to bring out the taste, and I'm going to add the fish to the stew. Stew now has the fish in it. I'm going to let it infuse a little bit, and I'm adding my chopped coriander for extra flavor. I'm adding the caramelized onions for the extra sweetness to add to it. So now the fish stew is ready to be served with rice, kenkey, anything that you like, but I served it with some turmeric rice and it was really great. So thank you for watching my show. I hope you loved it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel because there's more coming your way. Bye-bye.